Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for gold. Coming straight towards the forecast, and if you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. So straight coming forward to the forecast, here we have seen an accumulation of bullish momentum upwards since 29 October, and we did see a bullish momentum entering in the market, touching some around 1967 and the resistance zone. Since then, in around 4 to 5 hours, we did see a aggressive bearish momentum entering in the market, and we have seen a fall of some around 1957 till some around 1875. According to me, we will make in some around 100 move point downwards momentum, 100 points downward, and we can expect that the gold for market for the gold could hold or have its major support zone would be in a range of some around 1858 till some around 1853. So the reason for this significant bearish momentum entering in the market is due to the fundamental analysis, which is that BioNTech, an American firm or a research and development firm for the medicines, have announced that they have made 90% effective vaccine for the COVID-19. Thus, the uncertainty in the market has been reduced, due to which we have seen this significant bearish momentum entering in the market. Now, where I am expecting the market to head is some around towards this particular support zone, some around 1857. If we did see that the market did consolidate around this area, we can go for a long position, putting our take profit some around 1936. Let me show that. Some around here, with our stop losses would be placed some around 1834, with our take profit of this particular support zone, this particular resistance zone of some around 1934. Now coming on the bearish momentum, where we would trigger a sale position, if we did see that the market did hit our stop losses of the buy position or the long position, and we did see that the market did not hold this particular support zone, and on an 4 hourly, on a 1-day chart, we did see that the market did close below some around 1844 till some around 1839. That would be a very bearish signal for us then, due to which we can go for a short position either on a pullback, or we can, being an aggressive trader, we can take an direct long position, with our stop losses would be placed some around 1866 for the short position, with our take profit would be placed some around 1800. With this trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:1.2 or 1:1.84, approx 1:2. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing, as I upload daily forecasts on the gold. Thanks for watching.